ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 125. मंत्र we have to see. 19th मंत्र. सोयास्य आंगिरसो अंगानां हि रसः प्राणो वा अंगानां रसः प्राणो हि वा अंगानां रसस्तस्मात् यस्मात् कस्माच्च अंगात् प्राण उत्क्रामति तदेव तच्छुष्यति एष हि वा अंगानां रसः. सो अयास्य सह प्राणः, दिस प्राण इज अयास्य. अयास्य मुखे स्थितः, or that prana which is residing in the face, in the mouth. Angirasa is called Angirasa. This we have already seen. Anganam hi rasaha. Prano va anganam rasaha. Prana is anganam rasaha. Prano hi va anganam rasaha. Indeed, this is the case. Nishchay. Tasma. Therefore, tasmat yasmat kasmat cha angat prana uttramati. Vyatireka is given. So from whichever anga, if prana departs, then that anga will become weaker. Shushyati means will dry up, means there the strength will not be there. Tat shushyati. Yesha hi va anganam rasaha. Yesha prana. This is why those who do pranayama and all also, if some part of the body is not getting energy, the pranas are not functioning. That's all. You make prana go there, and they will say prana are getting blocked. Some blockage is there for prana, energy. This is how they think and they treat. भाष्य. सो अयास्य आंगिरस इत्यादि यथा उपन्यस्तम एव उपादीयत उत्तरार्थम. सो अयास्य आंगिरस, that prana is ayasya angirasa ityadi yatha upanyastam eva upadiyate. Earlier this is how it was mentioned, yatha upanyastam. Earlier it was given in this way. Same thing is brought back here, upadiyate. Upanyastam kutra ashtama kandikayam. Third number tippani. तम एव उपादीयते. उपादीयते अनुद्यते, अनुदीर्घ. 4 नंबर टिप्पणी. अनुद्यते, नु दीर्घ. टीका. In first, so second last line in टीका. तर्हि यद उपपादनीयं तदुच्यताम् किमिति उक्तस्य पुनरुक्तिः इति आशंक्य. What was said is already given. This is the meaning of the uttara. Uttarasya artham, uttarartham. प्रतिज्ञानुवादो वक्ष्यमाण हेतु उपयोगी इत्यर्थः. That pratignya anuvad is helpful. Pratignya anuvad means what was said earlier. It was pratignatam. What was pratignatam? Prano va angirasaha. This was said, but the hetu was not given, right? We saw yesterday. So now hetu is given here. But if that pratignya, what was said there, if we don't give, then context somebody will not understand. That's why I say pratignya anuvado vakshamana hetoho upayogi. Understood? Whatever hetu we are going to give, for that vakshamana hetoho pratignya anuvado. Pratignya anuvada is helpful. Means something was said earlier. Now it is just brought back so that context is clear. यथा उपन्यस्तम एव इत्यादि प्रपंचयति प्राणो वा. यथा उपन्यस्तम, how it was said, that itself is now elaborated. प्राणो वा in भाष्य अंगानाम रस इति एवं अंतम वाक्यम यथा व्याख्यातार्थम एव पुनः स्मारयति. This vakyam, as it was explained earlier, that is being reminded now. पुनः स्मारयति. उक्तार्थ निर्णय हेतुम पृच्छति. So that is still later. Let's see bhashya now. That katham there. Okay. How this is done? Uktartha hetu nirnaya hetum kathayati aprichyati. Uktartha nirnaya hetu means what was said earlier. That is uktartha. Uktartha nirnaya. That nirnaya was done earlier. Tasya hetu is being given now. That in Tippani 17 you see Prananistha Angirasatva Rupa Uktarthasya. Prananistha Angirasatva. Angirasatva is where? In Prana. Prane Nishtha Angirasatva. For that hetu is asked. Katham Prano va Anganam Rasa iti. How do you say Prano va Anganam? Mantra is very simple. What is it saying? Prana is Anganam Rasa. How? What is the hetu? Wherever the prana is not available or it leaves, that anga will become shushka, dry, means it will not function. That's all. Vyatireka is given. Tika. Tatra prasiddhim hetum kurvan pariharati. Prasiddhi hetu is very well known. Prano hi shabdaha prasiddhau. Prano he is for what? For prasiddhi. He shabda is for prasiddhi. He shabdaha prasiddhau. Prasiddhim eva prakatayati. What is the prasiddhi? Anganam rasaha. Prasiddham etat. Pranasya angarasatvam. Na vagadina. Vagadi don't have angarasatvam. Prana has angarasatvam. Smaranam prasiddhasya angirasattvasya iti shesha. Smaranam. Smaranam means being reminded in bhashya. Tasmad yuktam pranova iti smaranam. Pranova, prano hi, in this way it is said. Pranova is for reminding. Prano hi is prasiddhi, like that. Tasmad yuktam pranova iti smaranam. Smaranam prasiddhasya angirasattvasya. Angirasatva, which is prasiddha, it's smaranam in this. Prasiddhi asiddha iti shankate. Somebody say it is not known. How do you say it is prasiddha? Prasiddhi asiddha iti shankate. Katham punaha prasiddhatvam iti ataha. How do you say it is prasiddhatvam? Iti ataha. ताम अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम साधयति. ताम प्रसिद्धिम प्रसिद्धिम
प्राणस प्रसिद्धि प्राणक प्रसिद्धि
अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम साधयति. With the help of अन्वय and व्यतिरेक. अतः अतः तस्मात् शब्द उपसंहारार्थ उपरित्वेन संबध्यते. तस्मात् शब्द is there for upasamhara. So in the mantra, tasmat, yasmat, kasmat. In this way it is given in the mantra. Tasmat, yasmat, kasmat. So tasmat, yasmat, kasmat. In that tasmat is for upasamhara. Means it is for conclusion actually. What about yasmat kasmat? So see, padartham uktva vakyartham aha. Now the vakyartha is explained. Yasmat means yataha, avayavat, kasmat, anukta visheshat. Yasmat means yataha, avayavat, yataha, avayavat, kasmat, anukta visheshat. Yasmat kasmat yataha kutaschit cha angat shariravayavat अविशेषितात् प्राण उत्क्रामति अपसर्पति तदेव तत्रैव तदंगम शुष्यति नीरसं भवति शौषम उपैति. उपैति, what is the dhatu there? इन गतौ. उपसर्ग पूर्वक इन गतौ धातु. यस्मात् कस्मात् यतः कुतश्चित् अंगात्. कुतश्चित् च अंगात्. See in टीका. Now first understand the meaning of what is said there. So yasmat kasmat means yataha kutaschit angat. Yatah kutaschit, from any anga. Sharira avayavat, from the body part. Avisheshitat prana utkramati, prana has departed. Who departed means apasarpati, it doesn't go there basically. Tadeva tatraiva tadangam shushyati. Tadaiva, at that time itself, tatraiva, there tadangam shushyati. Nirasam bhavati, there is no rasa there. Life, prana is not going there, that's why nirasam. Shausham upaiti, it attains shoshane dhatu, dryness. So it will become dry. See in टीका now. Uktena vyatirekena anuktam anvayam samucchetum cha shabdah. Uktena vyatirekena anuktam anvayam samucchetum cha shabdah. What is the meaning of this?
So this word is to combine the what's said by Ambaya, by Vyatireka, and what is not said by Anvaya.
What is said here is Vyatireka. What is not said is Anvaya. Vyatirekena anuktam anvayam samuchetum cha shabda. So that samuchaya is done. Vyatireka is given. Anvaya is not given. But you have to form that vakya also of the anvaya. Because what is said, from whichever yasmat kasmat cha angat, from whichever part prana goes, then that anga will become shushka. So what will be anvaya? Where it is there,
Yes,
it functioning, it is active in this way. Cha shabda. Where is cha shabda? In that bhashya, kutaschit cha. That cha is there in the bhashya. Yasmat kasmat yatah kutaschit cha angat. The tika mostly whenever
coming with us, is that way. Kutaschitcha angat sarira avayavavad avayava avisheshita
Visheshitat, avisheshitat prana. Avisheshitat means without making any distinction. Anywhere, from any part, if there is no vishesha, from anywhere, if prana departs, it will lose its energy. Whether it is in the sense organ, inside stomach, in the head, wherever, from wherever prana withdraws a little, that part will become weaker or it will stop functioning. ठीक है. तस्मात् शब्दस्य उपरि भावेन संबंधमुक्तं स्फुटयति. तस्मात् शब्दस्य उपरि भावेन संबंधमुक्तं स्फुटयति. शब्दस्य उपरि भावेन तस्मादिति. So what was said through these words is angirasa is the shabda here. Tasmat shabdasya upari bhavena sambandham uktam sputayati tasmat esha hiva anganam rasaha iti upasarha samhara. So that tasmat shabda comes first. Tasmat yasmat kasmat cha angat prana uttam. So that tasmat is shabdasya upari bhavena sambandham. That tasmat shabdasya, tasmat shabda is there, is actually for this reason it is angirasa. Tasmat shabdasya upari bhavena sambandham uktam sputayati. Tasmat esha hi va angirasaha. अन्वय व्यतिरेक सिद्ध. अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम अंगरसत्वे प्राणस्य सिद्धे फलितमाह. So now, what is the result when you conclude through अन्वय and व्यतिरेक? अतः कार्यकरणानाम आत्मा प्राण इति एतत् सिद्धम्. Therefore, कार्यकरणानाम आत्मा is प्राण. उक्तन्यायात् in टीका उक्तन्यायात् अंगरसत्वे सिद्धे अपि कथम आत्मत्वं सिद्ध्येत् इति आशंका. Okay, so prana is anganam rasaha, but how is prana atma? This siddhi is not there. Atma of indriya, karya karana sangata. So astu pranaha sangatasya. That is what he is going to say later. In Bhashya, Atma paye hi shosho maranam syat. If anything becomes dry, means what has happened? Atma has been taken out of it. Atma apaya has happened. आत्मा अपाये ही शोषो maranam स्यात्. So if maranam or shoshanam has happened, that means its atma is taken away. Because here, when prana is not there, the indriyas become shushka. Therefore, prana is their atma. This is what is said. Astu pranaha sangatasya atma. Tathapi kim syat? Okay, let prana be atma of the sangata. Still, so what? Kim syat? Tadaha tasmat tena jivanti praninah sarve. Therefore, tena pranina sarve jivanti. Jiva shabda, jiva dhatu, what is the meaning? Jiva pranadharane. Jiva dhatu itself tells you pranadharana. So that's why he has given. Tena jivanti praninah sarve. Jivanti. So prana itself, the whole objective of prana is to do, jiva means pranadharanam is there. Tena jivanti praninah sarve. टीका भवतु प्राणाधीनम संघातस्य जीवनम तथापि कथम तस्यैव उपास्यत्वम आशंका. So first earlier, okay, how is it angirasa? So that was explained. They said, okay, let it be angirasa. But how is it atma? So that was explained. Now it is said, okay, it is angirasa, it is atma. But how their life depends upon prana. Bhavatu pranadhinam sangha. No. How its upasyatvam is there. Katham tasyeva upasyatvam. Ityashankyaha. Tasmad apasya vagadin prana eva upasya. Iti samudayartha. Apasya and upasya. What is the difference? No, they are different. Apasya means
Apasya.
to give up,
Apasya means
to reject is called apasya. Upasya means you do upasanam. Asukshepane dhatu is there in apasya. So you throw it. Vagadi, rejecting Vagadi and doing the upasanam of prana. This mantra is complete. Further, now next, Brihaspatiadi dharmakam pranopasanam vaktum vakyantaram avatarayati. Another dharma of prana is Brihaspati. Prana is called Brihaspati. Brihaspatiadi dharmakam pranopasanam. Eshau eva Brihaspatir vagvai brihati tasya esha patis tasmad u Brihaspatihi. Vag is brihati and prana is vakpati. Therefore, it is called Brihaspati. But if somebody says brihati, brihatyaha pati, it should happen. Why Brihaspati? In that there is a sutra. Paraskara prabhritini cha sanyayam. This is the sutra. Paraskara prabhritini cha sanyayam. Number you write down 61157. In that there is a Bhartika. Tad brihatoho karapatyosh chora devatayoho sut. There is one sut agama and talopascha. So Brihati is there, Brihat and Pati. Another Drishtanta is given. Taskara. Taskara means chore, thief. In that, Taha and Kara. So in that, Tat. So Tat Shabda is there and Kara. So of that, Ta Lopa will happen and Sut will come. So Tas Kara. And Brihatoho and Pat. Tat Brihatoho Karapatyoho. Kara is for Tat and Kara. And Brihati and Pati. So Brihatoho Patyoho. In that also Brihas and Ta Lopa will happen. So Brihas Pati. Brihaspati. So Panini Maharshi ji, Brahma and Chor in one Vartika. One sutra is there in that Drishtanta. And there is another one they give the Drishtanta. There is one sutra, Shvayuva Maghonam Atadhite. This is the sutra. Shvayuva Maghonam Atadhite. Shwan means a dog. Yuva means Yuva. And Magha means Indra. Shwan, Yuvan and Magavan. These three shabdas are there. Shwan, Yuvan, Magavan. All of them, so in Shwan, this sutra after Ta, any vibhakti you can do. Drishtanta is given of Tritiya, Chaturthi, like that. So Shwa means dog, youth and Indra. They are also in one sutra. Panini Maharshi ji is capable of putting everything together. And they also give Drishtanta, another one. Ganga is not Nadi. And Sthali is Nadi. Nadi Sangya, Ganga Shabda doesn't get. But Nadi Sangya, Sthali will get. This is because he is capable like that. He is Sangya. Who also, you know, he is not he, correct. And T is not T. Achontyadi T. Okay, see, so prana is now Brihaspati. Bhashya, Eshau. Na kevalam karya karanayoho eva atma prano rupa karma bhutayoho kintarhi rigyajus samanam nama bhutanam atma iti sarvatmakataya pranam stuvan mahi karoti upasyattvaya. Prana stuti is done, prana is praised for upasana. What is that? Na kevalam karya karana yoho eva atma. Prana is not only atma of Vagindriya and Chakshurindriya, Shrotra Indriya, Manaha, etc. But Rupa Karma Bhuta which is Rupa Karma. Rupa means Sharira, Sthula Sharira. Karma means Karana. Karma is taken as Karana. Kintarhi Rig Yajus Samanam, of them also Nama Bhuta. So you see, later one mantra will come. Some of you have studied in Anubhuti Prakasha. Trayam Hava Idam Nama Rupa Karma. Three are there, right? So here, the Sharir Sanghata is called Rupa Karma. And Vedas are called Nama. Veda means Veda mantras. Rig Yajus Samanam Nama Bhutanam. This mantra will come later in the second chapter, 1.6. ऋग्यजुस्सामानां नाम भूतानां आत्मा इति सर्वात्मकतया प्राणं स्तुवन् महि करोति. So prana is sarvatmaka because it is the essence of sthula sharira, sukshma sharira, indriya, mana, etc. and also of all the Veda mantras. टीका तस्य विधान्तरेण तात्पर्यम् आह न केवलम् कार्यं स्थूल शरीरं प्रत्यक्षतो रूप्यमाणं रूपात्मकम्. Rupa means where there is form, so sthula sharira is called karyam rupa. Karanam cha jnana kriya shaktimat. Karanam is jnana kriya shaktimat. Jnana kriya shakti wala. Shaktiman. Jnana shakti in jnanendriya. Kriya shakti in karmendriya. Like that. Karma bhutam. Tayor atma prana iti uktva. Tayoho atma prana. This is already said. नाम राशेः अपि तथा इति वक्तुं कंडिका चतुष्टयम् इत्यर्थः. 21, 2, 3, 4 kandikas. Kandikas means mantras. They are to show that prana is atma of all the shabdas also. Nama Rasheya. In other words, Hiranyagarbha is sarvatmaka. Nothing is excluded. Hiranyagarbha, when I see in limited sense, then it is prana. Now, what is the sambandha between prana and mantra? So, mantra recitation, etc., you need prana. In this way, you can understand. But everything has come from Hiranyagarbha, like in all Purushukta you take or other Upanishad Shrutis. From that alone, Vedas are there, but their abhivyakti happens through yo brahmanam vidadhati purvam yo vai vedanscha prahinoti tasmai tam hadevam atma buddhi. So that Paramatma who gives the Vedas to Brahma for it to manifest, like that. So therefore that Hiranyagarbha is sarvatmaka. And always sarvatmakatva upasana will give you maximum phala. Whatever I am thinking of, it is sarvatma rupa. Understand, you are for that time being becoming sarvatma rupa. Aparichinna vastu dhyanam will make me aparichinna. Parichinna vastu dhyanam will make me parichinna. Always. And if I am very much identified with my panchakoshas, then parichinnatva buddhi will be more. Kim iti pranasya atmatvena sarvatmatva uktya stutihi iti ashankya. Pranasya atmatvena sarvatmatva uktya kim iti stutihi. Iti ashankya upasyattvaya. This stuti is for upasyat, to know upasyatva of prana. U shabdo api artho. The mantra we have already seen. U shabda is api artha. Brihaspati, so esha u. Esha u means how you have to understand. Esha kaha prana. Prana eva brihaspati api. Who is api? Prana is Brihaspati also in this. Brihaspati Shabdat Upari Sambadhyate. You have to connect that after Brihaspati. Upari means later. Okay. Then question is raised that Brihaspati is Devanam Purohita. How you are saying Prana is Brihaspati? That we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakృతౌ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।